So temperature, there are 3 different ways of looking at it in the chemistry world. We have Fahrenheit, Celsius, and Kelvin. And Kelvin, it's not actually a degree sign. Shouldn't have that there. That would confuse you. Anyway, Kelvin is the way of looking at temperature in the chemistry world. It's very, very helpful in many chemistry equations that you will use in the future, so don't forget about Kelvin. Good thing is, it's pretty easy to convert from Celsius. You may know about Celsius, you may know more about Fahrenheit, but I think you would know either Celsius or Fahrenheit. Anyway, Celsius to Kelvin, you would use Kelvin K, is equal to Celsius degrees, plus 273 because that is the conversion. You just add 273 to any Kelvin, as it says right there, and you get any Celsius, and you get the Kelvin value. Alright, moving on to the Celsius to Fahrenheit. This one's a little more tricky, but you'll get the hang of it just the same. It's the Fahrenheit degrees equals the 9/5, 9 over 5 times Celsius, plus 232, just like that. So again, Fahrenheit degrees equal to 9/5 times 37. That's just an example. Celsius degrees plus 32. So yeah, this is an example. I don't know what it is, but you just solve it. You could punch that out in your calculator. You could solve it algebraically, your choice. And then the same thing, just flipped around, is Celsius degrees equal to Fahrenheit minus 32 times 5/9, 5 over 9, and that is it. So yeah, now you've pretty much got a good handle. You can pause this video, you can go back and rewatch it if you want to hear me explain the equations again, but now you've pretty much got a good handle on the different types of temperature units. You've got your Fahrenheit, you've got the Celsius, and you've got the Kelvin. So those are all very important in the chemistry world. Make sure you understand how to convert between them. Again, if you are not taking a chemistry class right now, you could always just look up the answer, but it is important to understand how these relate between each other.